Okay, this morning we are going to try out the ET6 again. If you looked at the last video of the close-up of this governor, you'll notice that I have reassembled it and very carefully gotten it worked together and assembled in just a slightly different configuration to keep the space out of this gap here at the latch. So I've refiled this latch, but then I made sure that this lever arm here is a little bit more running with the wheel on the cam here. The last time I had it assembled, it was sticking out a little bit further and not running as much on the cam. So now that it's more square, this is more square, I'm hoping that will help this latch work a little better with how tight it is, or how low the clearance is. And then once we get that, we'll try that out and see how that goes, and then if it's working good, then the next step will be for me to start looking for springs to do a replacement. But right now we're going to test this new assembly on that linkage and see how it reacts.